Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you about the alarm ringtone and sound settings in Motorola G14. So in Motorola G14, if you want to set any type of alarm ringtone or you want to do the sound settings, I will tell you all how to do it. Before I start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Now for further detail, let's watch the video and learn it.